Hello students, how are you all? You all are fine and happy at home, no? So, back to studies. Today our subject is grammar. You like grammar, no? To learn new things. Our subject is grammar. Last grammar lecture we had studied lesson number 8, one and many. We have done worksheet 1 also in next lecture of grammar, and today in this lecture we are going to do worksheet number 2. Listen properly, worksheet number 2. Okay children, understood? Yes. So worksheet 2 of one and many. Okay, now see, we will revise one many. What words are one? What words are more than one are called many? We will learn that one and many. One pencil, many pencils. We have learned last lecture, no? So in this worksheet, today we will learn new words. One, many. Okay children? See, now you can do also. See, look at the picture, read the words. Now you all know what you have to do. Look at the picture, read the words. See, reading is important, so you have to read first. If you will read, then you will be able to give answers. Okay children? See now, see this picture. This picture is of orange. Here also there are orange. This is one orange. But more than one means 3 oranges. What we call 3 oranges. See the spelling. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Oranges. O-R-A-N-G-E-S, oranges. Orange, oranges. One orange, 3 oranges. Okay children? One orange, 3 oranges. See the spelling, many. O-R-A-N-Y, O-R-A-N-G-E-S, oranges. See here. One orange and many oranges means 3 oranges. 3 means many, more than one are many. Many oranges. Okay, see now. Again, look at the picture, read the words. First you have to look at the picture and read the words. See, one apple. So, A-double-P-L-E, apple. One apple. 2, 1 and 2. 2 apples. A-double-P-L-E-S, apples. One apple, 2 apples means many apples. More than one are many. Many apples. A-double-P-L-E-S, apples. Apple, apples. Okay children? Now see here. Look at the picture, read the words. Here also there is a picture of a crow. One crow. C-R-O-W, crow. One crow. Crow. C-R-O-W. Okay? And see here. 1, 2, 3. 3 crows. C-R-O-W-S, crows. 3 means many, more than one. Many crows. Crow, crows. Okay, children. Now see. Look at the picture. Read the words. One egg. E-double-G, egg. See the spelling of egg. E-double-G, egg. And see in the plate. Can you see? How many eggs are there? Very good. There are 3 eggs. More than 1. So, you have to add S. E-double-G-S, eggs. Egg, eggs. Egg, eggs. Okay, children? Have you understood this? One egg, many eggs. More than one is many. Eggs. Egg, eggs. Okay? Now see. Look at the picture. Read the word. See here. This we did last lecture also. This came. Bottle. One bottle. B-O-T-T-L-E. Bottle. One bottle. Bottles. See here. 1, 2 and 3. More than 1. So, bottles. Bottle. Bottles. B-O-T-T-L-E. Bottle. And 3 bottles. So see the spelling. B-O-T-T-L-E-S. Bottles. Bottle. Bottles. Okay. Now have you seen this? Bottle. Bottles. See there are bottles. Okay. Now see. What you have to do? Add S to show many. See, if you have a book and pencil, you can write. Okay? See here, you can write the answer. Your time will come. We are doing this. You all are giving this. You all are writing in your book. You only have to add S to this word to show many. This is one only, but here to show many, you have to add S. Okay? So have you taken out your book and pencil? Rough book. Okay, children? Yes. So now you can write G-I-R-L, girl. G-I-R-L, it is one girl. So what is many here? You only have to add S. It is very, very easy. Yes? Come on, write fast if you know the answer. Girl. You can write the answer. Your time will come. Write fast. G-I-R-L, girl. So what will be the answer here? You have to add S to show many. Girl. Write fast. Girl. What will come here? Girl. Yes, write fast. Girl. Girl, girl. See here the spelling. G-I-R-L-S. Girls. Girl. girls. Very good, those who have written. This is very easy. Yeah? You can check yourself. Girl, girls. 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 Okay, children? See again. Girls. Those who have got wrong, write fast. Write the correct spelling. You only have to add S here. See, here S is added, no? Girls. S you have to add to show many. Okay, children? Yes, you all are writing, no? Now see next word. Add S to show many. See, this is very easy. You can copy it in your book. Pen. You have to add S to show many. Pen. What will be here? Pen. Write down fast. You all know this. Yes. P-E-N. Pen. What will be the word to show many? It is easy, huh? You have to only add S to this word. Have you written? Very good, those who have written, but write correctly. This P-E-N, you have to add S to show many. That word will become many. This is one pen. Okay? You have to write your answer. Understood? Now see. Write fast. Write pen. What will come? Yes. Write fast. Pen. Pens. Very good, those who have finished. P-E-N. Pen. P-E-N-S. Pens. This is one pen. This is many pen. More than one. Pen. Pens. Pen. Pens. Pen. Pens. Okay, children? You all have done? Pen. Pens. P-E-N. Pen. P-E-N-S. Pens. Write down in your notebook. Yes. Okay? Understood? Very, very good. Pen, pens. Now see the next word. Add S to show many. This is next word. The spelling is K-I-T. Do you remember what is this? K-I-T. We have done in the last lecture. Yes, it is kite. It is one kite. K-I-T-E. You have seen in the picture, no? Last lecture. K-I-T-E. Kite. Okay, children? Come on, write your many. What you have to do? You have to write this word and add S to show many. Kite. Yes, write fast. You all are knowing this. Okay, children? Write it down. Write fast. Very good, those who know. Write down kite. What will come? Yes, you all are knowing. Okay. So now see the word kites. K-I-T-E-S. Kites. Very good. Those who have written. Very, very good to them. Those who have written wrong spelling, correct it. K-I-T, kite. Kites. See here, you have to add S. K-I-T-S. Kites. Kite. Kites. Okay, children? Yes, you all are doing nice. Now see next word. Tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. Write down in your book. Then see your time will come. This is all easy, very, very easy. You all know this. You only have to add S. T-R-E-E. Tree. So what will be the answer? You all know the answer, right? Very good. Copy in your book. Tree. You have to add S. See, your time will come. First you write down answer and check whether after the time the right answer will come. Okay, children? Tree. See, your time will come. Then right answer will come. Okay? So before that you write the correct word so that you can check yourself the correct answer. T-R-E-E. Tree. See, time has started. Tree. Write fast. Tree. Tree. Yes. Tree. What will come? Trees. See the answer? T-R-E-E-S. Trees. Tree. Trees. Tree. Trees. See, one tree. T-R-E-E. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. Okay? Tree. Trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. Okay, children? So have you done this? Tree. Trees. Write down those who have not written. Okay. Now here, see, add S to show many. Again you have to add S to show many. Okay, children? So, word is boy. B-O-Y. Boy. B-O-Y. Boy. Write correct word here. You all know the answer. This is one boy. To show many boy. you have to add S. Boy, what will come? Yes. Write fast. You all know the answer, no? B-O-Y, boy. Your time will come, huh? And then right answer will come. To check yourself, write down. B-O-Y, boy. See here. Time have started. Okay. Boy. Write fast. Boy. Boy, what will come? B-O-Y, boy. It is one boy, but you have to write many, no? So, boy. What will come? Boys. Boy. Boys. B-O-Y-S. Boys. Boy. Boys. Understood, children? Boy. Boys. Okay? So you all are doing very well. Good, those who have written correctly. Those who have not written, understand it. See here. B-O-Y, boy. B-O-Y, boy. We are adding S. See here, red color S, no? So to show many, we have to add S. Boy, boys. Okay, children? Boy, boys. Now see. Look at the picture. Read the words. See now, again you have to understand those who have not written, those who have not understood. Chair. See, it is one chair. C-H-A-I-R, chair. And see here, there are many chairs. 1, 2 and 3 chair. So we are adding S here. See here, add S is there. Chair, chairs. C-H-A-I-R-S. Chair, chairs. Many chairs. Understand it properly. See here. C-H-A-I-R, chair, one chair only. But to show many, we have to add S, no? So here also chairs. C-H-A-I-R-S. Chairs. Chair. Chairs. Chair. Chairs. Okay, children, you all are doing well. Okay? Now see. Look at the picture, read the words. See why? Read the words too, so that you can understand what is one and many. See, this is only one toy. T-O-Y, toy. Look at the picture. There is only one toy. That is a car. Toy car. Okay? So T-O-Y, toy. Only one toy. See here. 1, 2, 3 toys. T-O-Y-S. Toys. These are more than one. So toys. 3 toys. 1 toy. 3 toys. T-O-Y, toy. T-O-Y-S. Toy. See, we are adding S to this word toy. Okay, children? Toy, toys. Toy, toys. Okay? See now. Again, look at the picture, read the words so that you will be understood. You will understand. Okay? Book. B-O-O-K, book. One book. So, book. Many means 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 books. B-O-O-K-S. Books. Book. Books. Okay? Here there is only one book. So, book. Here there are 4 books. So, books. 4 means many. So, books. To show many we are adding S. Here also see. B-O-O-K-S. Books. Book. Books. Book. Books. Okay, children? Have you understood? Now see. Look at the picture. Read the words. Fan. F-A-N. Fan. F-A-N. Fan. Here there are, count how many fans are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. See? 6 fans. They are different colors. So, fans. Many fans. Fan. Fans. Fan. Fan. See the word. F-N. F-A-N-S. Fans. Fan. Fans. Okay, children? Read this. Learn this properly. F-A-N-S. Fans. Okay? Now see. Look at the picture. Read the word. See here. In the pot there is only one flower. Read the words. First look the picture. See the picture. One flower. So, F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. Here there are how many flowers? See, 1, 2 and 3. 3 flowers. Flower, flowers. We are adding S, no? So, flower, flowers. Flower, flowers. You only have to read, okay? Now don't write. Flower, flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. Understood, children? Yes. You all are understanding. You all are doing very well. Okay? Flower, flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. Okay? Now see here. Ball. See one ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. See there are 3 balls. 1, 2 and 3. 3 balls. See the spelling. B-A-L-L-S. Balls. Ball. Balls. Ball. Balls. Ball. Balls. Okay, children? Ball. Balls. Ball. Balls. Okay? So, now see, you all have to do your work properly. Be safe at home. Write down what I taught you. Okay? So, if you have not written, you can write again the words. Okay, children? Thank you.